I wonder who's calling me. Unleash the powers of Earth!
Agrom, you are needed.
Who's there? Who dares to call my name? Oh, it's you guys. I'm really glad to... Huh? Now just a minute. Somebody was calling my name and they woke me up from a sound sleep and... Lava, people!
Not lava, Lord Agrom, but light. I am the Glass Empress, and we must speak.
Oh, I'll talk to you all right. The old sage said you're the embodiment of all Gorm.
Then put your trust in me, for together we may turn the tide of the coming war.
What war? What do you mean?
On the great plain of Astrag, a fifth Gormstone will be revealed. You and your fellow lords must journey there immediately and secure the stone before the fire of Magor reaches it.
Now hold on a minute. You mean to tell me there's another Gormstone? The surprises never end around here.
Your journey will be perilous, with harsh trials along the way. You and yours will be tested to your very core. To triumph in this quest, Lord Agrom of the Earth Tribe, you must remember what true victory looks like.
Well, you can count me in. How about you guys? Huh?
You've had your fun. Now it's time to retreat, foolish youngling.
Magor?
Stay away, Earthmuck. Away!
What's going on, Agrom?
I'm so glad to know you're still alive. You won't believe what just happened.
Could you try being a little less glad?
I had a dream. Glass Empress told me where there's a fifth Gormstone, but Magor was there, and you were all made of glass, and then suddenly, pow! I woke up and,
It was just a dream. Go back to sleep.
Huh?
Agrom!
Wake up and get packing, and I won't take no for an answer.
Go away!
I am going away, and you're coming with me.
Says who? Old Sage isn't here, and who made you the leader?
Are you calling me to battle?
Not exactly.
Unless there's a fight somewhere, I would recommend that you keep quiet so I can get some much-needed shut-eye, or else, you little pest.
Get up.
What's wrong with you?
How many times do I have to say it? We're about to leave on another adventure.
You two gonna fight?
All right.
Have at it.
All right, let's just do it.
You're in for a world of hurt, Feather Duster.
Cut the talking and start punching.
Watch it! My feathers are covered in
Aim for the stomach.
Take that!
See? You can follow orders.
But not from you!
Go for the neck.
The what? Oh!
Yeah.
Look, why are we fighting?
Well, I didn't start it. You're the one who woke me up. Violently, I might add.
Oh, yeah, right. Well,
Are there any bird baths around here?
We've
think
got
I
a
need
mission
one.
to go on.
Who told you that? The old sage?
He's got nothing to do with it.
Then how do you know it?
I know it.
Well, if he didn't tell you, who did?
It's a top secret mission.
This is all about his silly dream from last night, right?
If you think I'm gonna fly around Gorm because of a stupid dream you had, you're nuts!
Now that's more like it. Round 2.
Dreams can be powerful things. If Agrom had a vision, it would be unwise of us to ignore it.
Piran, you're as nutty as he is. Actions drive us forward, not dreams.
That's the spirit, little bird. Let's leave these two dreamers alone.
Wait!
Let's fight to see who'll be the leader. Lay off, you overgrown shrub.
We win!
What the heck is that supposed to be?
Just like in my dream.
As the land itself is thrust into peril, you conduct foolish tests of strength. Your service is needed and time is short. Find the 5th Gormstone before it's...
Yes, great performance there.
You've got to be kidding. Even after all that, you still don't believe?
I'm sure that was a trick.
Then explain to me how I managed to pull it off.
It was on a rock and you're an Earth Lord.
You know what? I have a good mind to go on this mission and find the 5th Gormstone myself.
There goes our great leader.
Well, I'm going with him.
Huh? And what about you?
Maybe there'll be a couple of good fights.
You're all wasting your time. You'll be back.
You think he'll join us?
Yeah, he'll come back once he realizes that I... So what kept you, Featherhead? Did you miss us that much? What'd I tell ya? Watch the branches! Watch the branches!
Now take a look.
Lava Gormiti!
I think they're after the 5th Gormstone too.
They spotted us! Drop me!
Come on, Agrom, you know you hate it when I do that.
Whoa!
Unleash the powers of Earth! Rock Boulder!
What's that?
Create the mighty Rock Hammer!
I love the arm cannon!
What are you doing? Waiting around for the next dream?
We clobbered those 3!
Eat rocket cannon, hothead!
How about some air power?
A boulder basher! Rockin'!
Now let's go get some answers, Dream Warrior. Who sent you here? What is your business in the Silent Forest?
What we seek is the Astrid Plain, and you're too late to stop us. We are many. We lurk beneath all of Gorm.
Gone, scattered to the 4 winds.
I'm gonna take a chance and say I think you believe me.
We have to stop the lava battalion before they reach that plane. We should tell the, others.
I guess that saves us a trip.
What is going on out here? Are you guys all right?
We saw smoke.
And where there's smoke,
There's definitely fire.
we have to get to the plane of Astreg, fast!
Lava Gormiti?
You guessed it. Follow us. We'll explain what happened on the way over.
Do you know where we're going, Agrom? Can you even read that map?
Let's see, don't be ridiculous. Of course I can read the map. Old Sage showed me how to use it. This way. Ha!
Well, Agrom, where is it?
Listen, everybody, we need to turn left.
You sure you can read the map?
So anybody else want to take a crack at it?
Give me that! For Gorm's sake! If you'd all just grow some wings, we wouldn't even need a map! Ah, it's right over here!
I just want to point out that this didn't happen under my leadership.
You don't need a map, Gorm Spies, because you're not going anywhere. Hey, is it my imagination, or did it get quiet down there?
Unleash the powers of the forest!
Smash!
You want to smash us? You can forget it.
Put her there, boys. Unleash the powers of Earth.
Unleash the power of the air! Unleash the powers of the waters! Hey, watch it!
Remember, we're a team. Go, Mighty Rock Ball.
Savage Wind Twist! Titanic Flood Fist! Unbreakable Vine Claw!
These lava Gormiti sure aren't big on leaving anyone behind to ask where we're going next.
Agrom, was the stone in your dream red-colored?
We're gonna need transportation. Create the stone knot.
Sweet ride, Earther.
Create your own and let's hit the highway.
Gorm Spinner.
Manta.
Just because I'm riding doesn't mean this is cooler than flying.
Yes, it does.
Can you smell that?
It's smoke.
It's worse than just smoke. It smells thicker, more foul. What could it possibly be?
Something even more sinister is going on here. They're destroying the land, but they're doing it with help.
It's Androl! First he tries to defile my kingdom and steal my Gormstone, now this? I'll take care of him!
No, Noctis, now's not the right time.
Little guy is right.
Who's little?
We should start now! Your dream said we had to secure the Gormstone, and that's what I'm trying to do!
Not that way. Androl is just a servant. We need to find out where his boss is. Just follow me.
Faster, faster! That's it!
Androl, I have it!
Give me that! You're not worthy! Nor are you, Androl.
Good, it's him.
You presume too much, Androl. Give it to me, now! Feed me its fiery heart! Yes, Lord Magor. As you wish.
It's Magor. Dream 3, Noctis 0.
I'll give the Gormstone to you, Lord Magor, as you command. It feels so wondrous in my grip. Could I not just hold it? Ah! No! You are a trusted general, but I will not stand for your disobedience. Ah!
I will not hesitate to turn you to dust, Andral. Now give me that! Hold on.
Do you think we've been seen?
Nah, not a chance.
Over there, Gormiti Lords, eliminate them!
Yep, he saw us.
He got our scent.
But it wasn't me, it was Azoury.
Never mind that now. It's time to take the fight to them.
You're right, let's do this. For the crystal!
Quantinous vision!
Quantinous vision!
Quantinous vision! Wake up, Tuntun! I need you to pound anything that's smoking! Great, Tuntun!
You haven't heard anything yet. Cover your ears, Lords of Gorm.
We're running low on backup, Piran. What do you think about a team-up?
Let's move some earth, Agrom.
Someone's in trouble!
Good to hear.
Okay, is everybody here ready for the main event?
Do you think we can take Magor?
We'll find out.
Such spirits are rewarded with a swift, painful demise.
Mighty Rock Ball!
Who would dare?
That would be us. Lords of Gorm, let's give Lord Agrom a little breathing room.
No problem. I'm ready to get cracking.
Let's douse that fire.
Give me that
You
stone!
could turn the tide of the coming war.
It's mine.
No! What have you done?
I have begun to make myself whole once more. With but a single stone consumed, the very land itself trembles before me.
The Lords of Gorm will never let that happen!
You have spirit. You remind me of an Earth version of myself, when I wore a younger man's clothes.
Need a hand? It wasn't all your fault.
I'm a terrible leader! We lost it! The Gormstone!
But we beat up a lot of lava Gormiti.
And drove our enemies from this land.
We did all these things, but if I'm not mistaken, we just let the most powerful evil force in the universe get away from us.
Way to rub it in, Noctis.
I was being sarcastic, Piran.
Oh, what does sarcastic mean?
What I mean is we did very well indeed, right, Agrom?
Remember at all times what true victory looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Magor's got a Gormstone, so now it's a level playing field.
I wouldn't want it any other way. It's a long game.
That it is, and I'm glad all of us are on the same team.
There are dark times ahead for them, old sage.
Yes, indeed, Glass Empress. But I have faith in the young Lords of Gorm.